And now listen to this.
In our last video, we told you that we abruptly left Asia with only 24 hours notice to a destination far away. Now we're on a beautiful island in the Indian Ocean called Réunion. We're ready to explore the sights and of course the sounds of this tropical locale. But first, we're in need of a rental car to cruise around on all these windy streets.
Car. Oh, it's a good car. It's nice, small. Put it in every pocket. Look at that. Haha. Bonjour, je m'appelle Marcel, and look what I have here. I have a really awesome baguette, and I think every French movie or vlog should start out with a baguette, with one of these fantastic baguettes, and I love baguettes, and we are in the country of baguette. Well, we are on an island called La Réunion, it's a part of France, and look what we got. We got our car. We got a, I wouldn't say brand new Hyundai. Okay, so we have this car for at least 1 week, maybe longer. You know, we have to explore the island a little bit more, and just let me tell you how much we paid for it. So it's like the smallest class with Sunnycar. Sunnycar is a German company that has collaborations with Enterprise, with Hertz, with Europcar. Why I'm actually choosing Sunnycars is because of the insurance. Because if I go with Sunnycar, then, you know, everything is just covered. Like every single thing would happen to the car is covered by Sunnycars. So the price for this 1 week is about $370 US. It's 5-door, so that's pretty cool. Or in the United States you say 4-door. So you see it has 4 doors. So if you come to La Réunion, can hang out with us. Yeah, now let's go explore the island because there's so much to see here. There are the mountains, there are volcanoes, waterfalls, lots of great places that are very hard to get without a car. So let's hop into the car and see what we can make out of this 1 week.
Oh no!
We are at the Niagara waterfalls. I hope I say this right. And it is beautiful. It is windy, but you feel like you're like in the middle of the jungle. It is fantastic. And we're recording the waterfall sounds in the background, also on the Zoom H3 VR in Ambisonic sound. So as you can see, it does a really good job in these windy conditions. And if you want to know more about it, just click here on this link in the corner, and that's where we show you the DIY wind jammer from Rode. So now what I do is I change position. Normally I record 3 minutes in one spot, and then I change just a different angle so that I just have a different perspective. Because there is something that I would like to tell you. Every waterfall, every ocean, everything what has something to do with water sounds different. And the more unique you want, the better it is you record and capture sounds from all different perspectives. Now what I do is, you see, here is actually pretty windproof because I have the wall in the background. Massive wall. And then I'm using the Zoom H3 VR, and then I record some ambisonic sounds as well. Ah, that was so cool. What a beautiful waterfall. Now we do more exploring here around the island. And she seems very friendly. Right? Yeah.
Hey Marcel, what is this stuff?
Okay, besides creating a great wind sound, this is actually sugarcane. And you know what I miss is when you have sugarcane in Vietnam, for example, they have all these sugarcane machines, and then you can stop on the motorbike and they give you sugarcane. That would be cool if they would have that here as well. You know, there would be a little vendor here and selling sugarcane.
Yeah, that would be awesome actually.
Hey, what are you doing here? So one thing I don't have in my library yet is actually the bells of the cows. This is the first time that I ever record them. And now I give you a clap. We're back in the car. You know, we decided to not walking down to the cows because we want to see more of the volcano, but we don't see that much right now, only what is 50 meters in front of us because of the fog and the clouds. But the journey here, like the road is amazing. It's fantastic, but if the weather would be better, like clean, clear, woo, amazing. So we had to stop and just listen to this. You hear nothing. You know, we are like in an open space. Now you hear the car. It's just one car. And how it goes around the corner. You know, you have these beautiful S curves here going all around. It's so quiet here. It's so nice. And here you can see the map.
Very informative.
Why would they not fix that?
It says the German. All good?
All good.
It's
All
a bumpy
good.
road, isn't
Very
it?
bumpy. Nobody tells you this.
Feels like you're in another world, doesn't it? It's so eerie and I love it.
So we are here on Mars right now, and it is so like almost silence, right? There's no such thing than silence. But what can we record here? What is really cool? If you look around and you're like, huh, what does it mean? I show you. And now listen to this. So now we are sitting here in front of a little bush, and when the wind goes through, now the wind is not so strong, but if I turn on the gain a little bit or hear the fade on the F6, listen to this. Okay, so when I turn this on, I can actually hear the cars coming by in the background, what creates another layer of sound, and also the crackling underneath my shoes, you know, like this movement.
Marcel, what are we doing right now?
Now we're recording the sound of the tires and driving here on this interesting bumpy road.
How's it going?
It's very bumpy, like very bumpy. I never would have thought recording cows with bells on a volcano in the middle of the Indian Ocean. How cool is that? How cool is that? Bing, bing, bing. Bong, bong, bong.
What just happened?
Okay, Libby didn't get the shot, so I tried to be close to get the bell, and then the cow thought, well, it's just hitting the microphone. So if you think that's not a pig, it's Libby, she has the hiccup. So how am I gonna end this video? We end this with the bubble tea. There's no better ending than having bubble tea and hiccups. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you really enjoyed this video. Like the waterfall, the volcano, everything was great. And yeah, now we enjoy our soy matcha latte bubble tea with the tapioca bubbles. Oh yes. Now wondering, how do you actually create a footsteps library on the Mars? You have to be on the Mars. Look around. I never been to the Mars, but
Stop calling it the Mars. Just say Mars.
Mars. And then when you have a car driving on the Mars, listen to this sound. Turn this up. You see, this is how a car on Mars sounds like. Ta-da!